so freaking good. Oh, damn. All right. That was a fail. It's so hard to do and film. Like scooping ice cream isn't hard enough. Can I do this? Oh. Before it melts. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Danny Taylor, co-owner of Vegan Proteins Online Coaching. Today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make 3 different protein ice creams that are like under 150 calories a serving. Strawberry shortcake, no kidding. I'm so excited to eat this. So, before I get into it, I owe you guys a winner from my tofu making recipe, and the winner is username 13𝐶𝐨𝐧'𝐭. Shoot me an email, coach@VeganProteins, and we will be sure to get you your tofu making kit. Thank you guys so much for helping that video reach 250 comments. I appreciate you. Now, how are we gonna be making these today? We are gonna be using the Ninja Creamy. Hopefully you can see that. Can you see that? Yeah, it looks really lame in the very back there. But we're gonna be using the Ninja Creamy, which is more, oh, this is dripping. You guys are gonna love these. So I held out on getting the creamy forever because I was like, it's just a blender. Kind of. It's kind of a blender, but it's like a super, super, super strong blender with a crazy blade that when you make a pint of frozen ice cream base, which I'll show you, it spins all the way down and then it spins all the way back up. And because of the way that it works, you're able to make ice creams out of all sorts of things. So ice creams we're making today taste like ice cream. The pints each have over 40 grams of protein, and I'll go over the macros. I compared them to Ben & Jerry's flavors, which have over 1,000 calories sometimes per pint. The heaviest one of these I made today was 500 calories for the whole pint and 44 grams of protein. So you're gonna love it. And what you guys don't know is 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, my dear sweet 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐞, is obsessed with ice cream. He could eat ice cream every day, and he's not home right now, so they're just all chilling in the freezer, waiting for him to come home and lose his ever-loving mind over them. But before we get into it, if you are a vegan who is looking for delicious recipes that don't taste like diet recipes to help you build muscle, burn fat, get stronger as a vegan, you've come to the right place, so be sure to hit subscribe because we put out new videos every week with tips, tricks, recipes, meal plans, and educational videos. 2 more things before we get into it, actually. One is that we have just launched the Muscles by Brussels program. There are 8 more days, I believe, as of publishing this, left before doors close until we don't know when. So be sure to check it out. We have dozens of workout programs to choose from depending on your goal, abilities, activity levels, what you have access to, hundreds of high protein vegan recipes that you can log in your nutrition tracker with a click of a button. Progress tracking, we have a full community board, and we have weekly live calls with the vegan coaches. So the price will never be this low again. I'll leave the link down below. Doors close in 8 days. And we also have 2 super cool bonuses for you. Before then, we have the 7-day metabolic jumpstart program, which is great if you're looking to get back into the swing of things. Awesome program. And we have our Vegan Proteins Swole Food Cookbook, which is a cookbook of high protein vegan recipes, all under 500 calories. So check it out, because I don't know when we're gonna open the doors again, all right? And next, if you want the PDF for this recipe, these recipes, I should say, I'm leaving a link down below. Enter your email afterwards, there'll be a link, click, and it'll be right there to download, all right? All right, now let's get into it. Is there anything grosser than watching someone eat an ice cream cone? I'm so sorry. All right, now we're gonna get started on our strawberry shortcake ice cream. We're gonna get started with our base, which is gonna be the same across all 3 ice creams. We're starting with a cup of unsweetened soy milk and a 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, 40 grams of either unsweetened or vanilla protein powder, and if you're using unsweetened, I also use 2 packets of stevia. So the soy milk is gonna make it creamy and add some protein, but the almond milk is going to give us the volume we need without adding extra calories. And the xanthan gum is going to make that ice cream super creamy once it's blended without adding any fat to it. So that's why we use that. And then we're just gonna blend that all together. Once that's all blended, we're gonna go ahead and add 150 grams of strawberries to the blender and blend it up one more time. Once we have that all done, we are going to dump it into the 𝐦𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 container right up to the fill line. So this made just a teeny tiny bit more than that because, the strawberries are so voluminous. But right up to the fill line, cover it, and freeze it overnight. Now it is the next day. This is what it looks like. And what we're going to do is we're going to lock it into the container. When 𝐵𝐿𝐿𝐿 and I first got this, we had a hard time with this. Click the top on, and then you're going to put it in the machine with the handle pointing straight out and spin it until you hear it click into place, and you'll see it raises and then clicks. And then we are going to click the light ice cream button. And that's because this ice cream has virtually no fat in it. That's what makes it light ice cream versus the regular ice cream setting. Now, once we open it, you're going to see it looks really powdery and crumbly on the top like this. That's pretty normal, I've found, for the light ice cream. We're going to take the back of a big old spoon and we are just going to press that down. And I don't know why, but I found that this helps it be a lot creamier on the next spin, which we're going to do in just a second. Okay, locking it back in, hitting light ice cream one more time. And here's what it looks like after that second spin. Much closer to an ice cream consistency. Now we're going to add our mix-ins that make this a strawberry shortcake ice cream. We are going to dig a little well in the center. This is a very ugly well, but you get the idea. And we are going to put another 50 grams of strawberries. These were fully raw and room temperature. I highly recommend that you freeze these pieces before you do it, otherwise they'll just get too smushed. We're going to push that down into the center of the well. And then I'm going to take 2 Biscoff cookies. I like getting these in the packages so you are not tempted to eat 3 of them while you're making it. And we are just going to crumble those cookies up, dump them into that well also, put the canister back in the 𝐦𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 with the top on, lock it in place, and hit the mix-ins button. And here we have our finished strawberry shortcake ice cream. This comes in at 110 calories per serving, 2.3 grams of fat, 10.6 grams of carbs, and 11.25 grams of protein. And that's for a single serving. And the pint makes 4 servings, technically, although I don't know who's eating it like that. All right, moving on to our Cherry Garcia ice cream. So it's the exact same base here: a cup of soy milk, half a cup of almond milk, 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, 40 grams of either unsweetened or vanilla protein powder. But I'm using unsweetened, so I'm going to add 2 packets of stevia. You could use monk fruit, you could use whatever you want, you could not sweeten it at all, totally up to you. And we are just going to blend that until it is completely smooth. If anybody wants to know what happens to my hands, because I just realized you can see those cuts on my hands, that's from doing a lot of barbell cleans. All right, so I am going to use some dark cherries. I only had canned cherries. Frozen sweet cherries would work as well. So I have a full cup here, and I'm going to use about 2/3 of the cup of cherries, put it in the mixture, blend it up, pour it into the 𝐦𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 container up to the fill line, cover it, and freeze it overnight. Now, I wasn't thrilled with the color that happened when it froze. It looked so like this kind of dark brownish, grayish color. So maybe the frozen cherries would make a better color. But we're going to do it just like we did with the strawberry shortcake ice cream. We are going to pop it in the machine and hit the light ice cream setting. And we're going to do that twice, pressing it down in between those 2 with a spoon. My only complaint about the 𝐦𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 is that it sounds like a plane is taking off inside of your house. And the light ice cream setting, even though we're only showing it for a few seconds, actually is like 3.5 minutes. So here I have the remainder of the cherries from before that I froze overnight, and I'm going to dump those into the well in the center, and then 1 tablespoon of mini chocolate chips as well. And we're just going to cover that back up, pop it back in the machine, and hit the mix-in setting. And there you have it. Here is our Cherry Garcia flavor. So each serving of this comes in at 121 calories, 2.3 grams of fat, 14.25 grams of carbs, and 10.75 grams of protein per serving, and the pint makes 4 servings. Moving on to our milk and cookies recipe. So this one, there's no fruit blended in, so we add a little bit of extra almond milk. So it's still a cup of soy milk, and then in there was a half a cup of almond milk, but I added an extra 1/4 cup, so it's about 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, and 40 grams of either unsweetened or vanilla protein powder. But if you're using unsweetened like me, I use 2 packets of stevia, and we are going to blend that up until it's totally creamy. And this one, you're just going to dump right into the 𝐦𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 container, cover it, and freeze it overnight. Next day, same drill here. We're popping it into the Ninja Creamy and we are going to hit the light ice cream button. Let it do its thing. Then you're gonna take it down, press it down with the back of a spoon and pop it back in and hit the light ice cream setting one more time. Once it's gone through its second spin, you're gonna dig a little hole in the center. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chocolate sauce, 1 cookie's worth of chocolate chip cookie dough chopped up. So I used the Sweet Lorenz, the frozen cookies that you can get in like the frozen aisle, but you could use the Ben & Jerry's frozen ones. They make vegan ones as well. And I also have 2 crushed up Oreos or any sandwich cookie here. And I'm just kind of smushing it down in the bottom because it was kind of high, covering it back up, putting it back in the machine and hitting the mix-in setting. And here we have our milk and cookies ice cream. So this one is our densest one calorie-wise. It comes in at 136 calories per serving, 3.65 grams of fat, 14.25 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of protein per serving. And the pint makes 4 servings. So all of these pints come in around or just under 500 calories and 45 grams of protein, give or take. So not that I recommend you sit down and eat a whole pint of ice cream, but if you're gonna do that, this isn't a bad way to go.
This is literally the best YouTube video that you will ever record in your entire lifetime. There will be none better.
Okay, babe. It's recording you.
That's okay.
People are gonna see your weirdness.
I'm a bird.
You're not a bird.
I am a bird. This is what I was made for. Okay, where's yours? I don't even want to share with YouTube.
Since you are the arbiter,
Oh yeah,
all things ice cream.
oh yeah.
You get to try the 3 different ice creams. Yeah, they're a little bit frozen from sitting there waiting for you to get home, but.
Happening. See, I was going to go to this. So we got ice cream stands all over here, all over, and each one of them got.
Just making sure. Go ahead, you can keep talking. Each one of them got
vegan ice cream, right? So what I do is I get my ice cream money. And I got to keep replenishing this thing, but I fat wads in there because you got to buy ice cream every day, all day over here. The second the ice cream stores opened up in Boston, I was there, front line, waiting, just like cutting off children, like pushing them out of the way.
Okay, which one do you want to try first?
All of them. How do we?
Cherry Garcia, strawberry shortcake, milk and cookies.
God.
I tried to model them after Ben & Jerry's flavors.
I've been holding off on the cherry.
That is strawberry shortcake.
Wait, which one's Cherry Garcia?
Cherry Garcia.
That's the one. Yeah, Cherry Garcia.
I don't really like the color. I think the color turned out kind of bad, but
solid.
that's because we've been waiting for you to get home this whole time.
I'm just gonna freeze my mouth. Where's it?
Okay, so for the whole pint, which I think is really how you should calculate macros of an ice cream pint, because a serving is probably closer.
Can I just keep eating?
Yes, please. A serving is probably closer to like a scoop, and most people aren't just eating a scoop, but I'll give you both macros here. So, first of all, Ben & Jerry's Cherry Garcia, a pint is 940 calories, and it's got 35 grams of fat, 153 grams of carbs. This one,
I got nothing on you, nothing.
is 484 calories for the whole pint, 9.1 grams of fat, 57 grams of carbs, 43 grams of protein. He's not even listening.
No words. Yeah, I gotta kiss you. This is so good.
So
Thank you, this is the way to my heart.
Every
Ice cream. Go ahead, sorry.
Every serving of the Cherry Garcia is 121 calories, 2 grams of fat, 14 grams of carbs, almost 11 grams of protein.
What did you say with the macros? I blacked out. Something like macro friendly?
So we're gonna move on to the next one. So this is-
It's good, in case you're wondering.
Okay, this is like the middle, density-wise.
That is Cherry Garcia all the way.
Strawberry shortcake.
Really?
Yeah, so Ben & Jerry's doesn't have strawberry shortcake. I thought they did. They have a strawberry cheesecake. So you probably could have done this by using like either some cheesecake flavored Jell-O pudding mix, the sugar-free one, which is vegan actually, or you could have just put a little vegan cream cheese in the mix itself.
Oh yeah.
The pint of Ben & Jerry's is 990 calories. This one, the whole pint, is 441 calories, 9 fat, 42 carb, 45 protein, which means each serving is only 110 calories. and over 11 grams of protein.
You taste fresh strawberries. You don't just want to see me acting a fool over here. You want actual feedback. This tastes like fresh strawberries and it's still equally as delicious as something like Ben & Jerry's that's got all kinds of like crazy stuff in it. Same thing with the Cherry Garcia. So far, I am impressed.
I just can't believe that they have over 40 grams of protein. See, what do I talk about?
I heard ice cream. That's all I knew.
Yeah.
40 grams of protein?
For the
Shut
pint,
up.
for the pint.
So like it's the end of the day and I have to be like ice cream or hitting my protein goal and I don't have to worry? Because that was me like literally the past 2 weeks.
Okay, so.
You've solved the problem. Thank you.
These are not like whole food, plant-based ice cream.
Whole food.
Like this one has some Biscoff cookies in it. This one has some chocolate chips in it. This one has more than that. So this is the densest one, the milk and cookies, which Ben & Jerry's pint is 1,040 calories. This pint is 545 calories for the whole pint.
Okay.
The whole container.
Got it.
So maybe don't need a whole container of that one.
Or do and feel a little less guilt.
Yeah, so the whole pint, 545 calories, 14.6 grams of fat, 57 carbs, 44 protein, which means each serving, which is about a scoop, is 136 calories.
Done listening.
3.6 grams of fat, 14 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of protein.
Are you serious? This is like talk over you the entire time where they take over the show and become the main character. This is solid. I am not the main character. This is right here. Star of the show. Oh my gosh.
And I did get sugar cones, so you can make these into cones if you wanted
And
to.
this is like post-workout meal. I'm the
Only
most
thing I would
ravenous.
say is
Perfect.
don't do what I just did, which I did only for the video. Okay, I want to film all of these together before you like inhale them all.
Sorry.
Don't put them in the freezer for an hour after you spin them and scoop them. Don't put them in the freezer for an hour before you eat them. And you may need to if you're like eating it over the course of days, like a sane person, you may need to re-spin it in between, which is fine. So, yeah, you like it?
Oh yeah.
All right, well, if you guys like it and you want the recipes, go ahead and click the link down below to get a copy of the PDF recipes for these. Or if you want to join our Muscles by Brussels membership, you have 8 more days before the doors close until we don't know when. And you lose access to the bonuses, the 7-day metabolic jumpstart and
the 20 different protein ice cream recipe cookbook.
that's not what it is. It
Should
is
be.
the Vegan Swole Food cookbook. That doesn't exist, so don't ask for it. But it is 32 high protein vegan recipes under 500 calories. You get the workouts, you get all of the hundreds and hundreds of recipes, you get access to the community, you get access to the coaches, you get access to the nutrition tracker and the progress tracker and just so much more. And you get to be part of what I happen to think is the best vegan community on the planet. So
It is.
we'd love to have you there. And if you were the winner of the tofu giveaway, please shoot us an email. All right? Is there anything else I want to say?
Can
I
I
don't.
finish this?
No, I gotta take pictures. All right. If you like the video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, all the things I'm supposed to tell you to do at the end of a YouTube video, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.